Hey beauties, I'm back with another video on this lazy Sunday afternoon. I hope you guys are keeping safe out there and you're taking care of yourself. Stay tuned as I do this simple makeup look, no eyeshadow, okay, maybe just a little bit, and just spend some time with me on my video. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe on this video, and thank you so much. Oh my goodness, I am like over 250 subscribers. That is really dope. My beauties, my foodies, you guys are really awesome and I really appreciate your support. Yes, I appreciate your support. Don't forget to connect with me on my other socials. I will list all the links to my socials on my description box below. Oh, this natural light, honey, coming through. I've done my eyebrows off camera. I'm just going to, I've already moisturized my going to use the Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser. You guys know me, I am obsessed with this product. It leaves it baby soft. So I'm just gonna do that. Don't forget to like this video, comment below and subscribe. I did purchase my foundation. I've been complaining, I know, a Revlon Candid Macadamia shade. So that's that on that. I've got foundation. So I'm just gonna apply that and blend it out. There's like a new okay, I should not have done that anyway. Serves me right. And then I'm going to take my concealers. I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I don't see this. So I can't really see the shade. I'm gonna place it on there. So with a damp beauty blender, you're just gonna blend never forget the neck, darling. I'm actually recording blind, so if you see my hand getting closer to the camera, it's because I'm just trying to make it focus. So just gonna blend that as well with the beauty blender so that it stays nicely there. I really love this foundation. It has literally been my go-to foundation for a while now. So I'm gonna take my concealer. It's the Pro HD concealer, yeah. So I'm just gonna place it just below my under eye. Okay, and then I'm going to contour using the LA Girl Pro concealer, but in the shade Fawn. What has been happening in America lately is just so heartbreaking. And I mean, it's not just lately, NJ. Over the years, police brutality in America is really just, it takes the cake. And it's really unfortunate that it really has come to like the type of situations that are happening right now. And I mean, I understand, because not up in South Africa, it's not like our policemen are the world's greatest policemen, because while we lockdown, there has been people that haven't been treated well by the police in South Africa, and we need to say something. It's just really unfortunate that people have to die for the government to really listen. And we'll be minute. It's not pretty. It's not pretty at all what's happening out there. My nose. I'm learning a lot of things in this lockdown. I learned how to do bread, how to bake a cake. I mean, I just need to learn how to do pasta, honestly. Then I'll be good. This one is really coming through now. I don't know if it's coming through. Let me check. Okay, there is a bit of sun rays coming through. Okay, this is my touching. I'm already doing what I'm doing now. It's actually getting brighter. Oh, sun. Can you see? It really is. I think I'm just gonna close this. I think that's better. And then obviously I'm gonna take my powder and I'm just gonna hurt my head, set my face. This is not a complicated look, so it should be easy to do. I am loving it. And I'm just gonna take my contour brush. Really, I just can't get anything right today. Take a darker shade with the contour. So it's sort of like got faded out. Take my blush from MAC. Haven't bought any MAC products in a minute. Just a slight rosy cheek. Using this Essence Instant Matte Setting Spray. I'm really enjoying it, and yeah. So I'm gonna be spraying my face with that. I'm very generous when it comes to setting spray. I think that's why Solo was pale like her. I think I'm just gonna go with the clean look, because now putting on eyeshadow is gonna be work. And you said we're keeping it simple, so I have to have the simple look. So we're not gonna do eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna set it using the darker powder, just a little bit, just to set that concealer nicely. Yeah. Next, I've been using this Smudge Lengthening Mascara, and I must say it's not really something like intense to write home about, but I mean, I'm not complaining. And I'm gonna put on eyelashes off camera just to be quick, because I'm literally done with this look. I'm done putting on my lashes, and I'm already feeling it. Okay, I'm gonna take my pinky. I'm just gonna highlight my inner eye corners, and you see this look is simple, but there's nothing simple about not having glitter on your face or something shimmery on your face. Then it's not simple. It's just blend. You don't want to blend things. Okay, I need to find lipliner and Maccosmetics. So I have this new pink smudge eyeliner, and we're gonna test it out how it is. I don't know if you guys know, but back in the day, Identity, the store Identity, it used to have this bomb ass roll on lip glosses, and I used to love that red one. It had like a nice strawberry smell. So this one just reminded me of that. Oh, I forgot to put eyeliner under my eyes. This is my final look. I want to say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment below. I will be listing obviously all the information you need to know about the products that I use on the description box down below. I'm hungry. I'm going to make something to eat, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Bye. You'll find them below.